Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check internet speed and switch to a wired connection if possible. Once done, restart your browser to clear temporary glitches. Close unnecessary tabs and disable extensions that block media. Sign out or open an incognito window to rule out account or cookie problems, because many playback issues stem from extensions or cached data interfering with YouTube's player. Now focus on deeper browser-level fixes that often resolve stubborn errors. Clear cache and cookies for YouTube. Site-specific is faster and safer. Then update your browser to the latest release, since codecs and security patches matter. Enable hardware acceleration to offload video decoding to your GPU. Make sure your graphics drivers are current. If issues persist, reset browser settings back to defaults, or launch a different browser. Finish by validating system and network configuration so playback runs smoothly. Update your operating system and graphics drivers, then reboot to apply changes because driver mismatches cause decoding failures. If videos still fail, change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and flush your DNS cache. This fixes loading and buffering issues. If nothing works, disable VPN or proxy and test on another device. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.